For question 14, given that the function f and g are defined as function fx rational function gx is a linear function, find f inverse and g inverse. So in order to find f inverse, g inverse, we'll start let f inverse x equals to y. Then we inverse the function inverse, we get f, domain and range we exchange. Substitute y into our function fx here, so where the x will be substituted by y here. Then we are going to find out what is our y. So how we simplify this rational function? We will do cross multiplying. And we collect back our y terms. So 4 we will move it to the right hand side, become minus 4. So when we collect all the y terms back to the left hand side, we factorize out our y. And we express y as a subject. So this will be our f inverse. Okay, so for denominator part, it cannot be 0, so the value 3, x cannot to be value of 3. Then we are going to continue to find our g inverse. So let g inverse equals to x equals to y. G inverse x equals to y. So gy equals to x. So substitute gy equals 3 minus y. So negative 1 equals to x minus 3. So move the negative 3 minus x. So from here, our inverse concept, we will be having an important 1 marks here. So express, simplify it to get y and state out our f inverse. Same also for g inverse. Then we're going to proceed of question D. Ask us to evaluate our composite function where f g inverse of 3. So we will substitute value of 3 into our g inverse here. It will be 3 minus 3. It will become 0. Then we substitute into our function fx here. Substitute 0. So it will 0 plus 4, 0 minus 2. So we'll get this negative 2. Our important concept here will be the first part, substitute 3 into the inverse function of g, then substitute 0 into the function of f, and get to the answer. Then continue to question C. They give us composite function of g f inverse k equals to 2 over 3. Ask us to find what is our k value. So from here, we will substitute the k into our f inverse, which is here, which is equals to negative 2k minus 4, 3 minus k. After that, we're going to substitute this fraction into our function gx. So we'll substitute fraction at the x place here. So our fraction will be at here. Therefore, we will get 3 minus this fraction. So we're going to simplify it. So we move our value of 3 to the right hand side. it will be minus 3. It will give us negative 7 over 3. Then we can simplify our negative, both sides negative, we can simplify it. After that, we do our cross multiplying in order to find out our k. So 3 will times here, will become negative 6k minus 12. And then this 3k minus this 3 minus k times with 7. And we collect back our k. Collect back our k value. When I move this k, it will be positive 7k. So it leaves k only. And then add move this negative 12 to the right hand side, it will be adding 12, so it will become 33. So from here, our first concept is going to substitute the rational, and then we simplify it, and we express our k to get to the answer.